Hello people, hello perfume community. Today I bring for you this beautiful fragrance that's called CHIC AVENTUS. This one is belong to the line of les INFINIE of the house GEPARLYS, this French house that always bring for us best scents and a good alternative to expensive fragrance. I will tell you in this review the alternative, this fragrance alternative for an expensive fragrance of the niche perfumes. In the beginning I will describe the package as you see here. And before describe this package, I will tell you something for this line and for this house in particularly. This house in 2020 they came with the line of les INFINIE, as you see here. This line, they produce 5 perfumes: CHIC AVENTUS, Parade de Nuit, Matière Noble, Black Sweet, and Saint Honoré. These 5 perfumes that they produce belong to this line, and they called parfum d'exception. This in French it means the exception perfumes. Like these 5 are the niche fragrance for this house, for the GEPARLYS house. Okay, this perfume came in this package. All the 5 fragrances they have the same package. The only thing that modified is this name. Here we have CHIC AVENTUS, and the batch code in the back side, or I will see where is it, the batch code. I will show you here in the bottom of the package. Here we have this batch code 1092A/21. We have here some informations regarding this perfume and the composition and how it started, how to use it. This is the front side. We have the logo here, CHIC AVENTUS, les INFINIE, perfume d'exception. This perfume comes in eau de parfum in 100 ml. In the top we have here the logo, and the back side we have nothing. Sorry, the back side we have these informations here and this logo, that means this perfume is original. The other side we have nothing. Okay, this is the presentation of the package. Returning to the fragrance, here the juice appear in the bottle in the color of the blue color. It reminds me of a lot of fragrance that have this color. Means this fragrance is fresh for summer days and for spring days. This is the juice. The bottle have a nice design, very heavy, very elegant. Here the cup, they made a strong cup with the lemon process. In the top we have the logo of les INFINIE. Here the cup is, see with me, it's magnetic cup, it's heavy, good quality. Here, as you see with me, the spray here, I will test it with you right now. Wow, spray is good. It's full cost spray. Okay, Wow, 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 wow. In the first time when you spray this one, you will notice, if you haven't seen it, you will say definitely this is Creed Aventus. Yes, as I said. Wow. Bomb of bergamot in the top of this fragrance. This fragrance follow the line of arguing, spicy, musky, ambery in the base. In the top notes, when you spray this one, you will notice we have berries, some cassis, some bergamot, a bomb of bergamot. In the middle notes, the nugget, the patchouli, some apple, and in the base, after 1 hour, they came out with some woody notes like cedar and the musk and the ambroxan. I think this perfume that I have here will be the most or the best clone to CHIC AVENTUS. CHIC AVENTUS have a lot of clones, like Armaf Club de Nuit. I will do a video in in these few days, inshallah. Club de Nuit intense, that beast perfume. But today I will focus on this one. I have 1 year when I buy this one, and from lot of sprays I see the difference between this and between Creed Aventus. The only difference is in the top. Creed Aventus focused more in the top and in the opening to ananas. Yes, to ananas, smoky ananas. And this one, in the top we have bergamot, a bomb of bergamot, lot of bergamot. But in the middle and in the base of the perfume is the same of Creed Aventus. And this one have a long lasting and good sillage. I recommend it very well. And regarding the price versus the quality, this one is the big deal, because here I can buy it $20, $20, max $25 in the market. So I think this is a big deal. When you find this one, just buy it. It's good to use in the office and in the summer days, in the spring days, and also on all the year. It's fresh scent, very very good, very fresh, very clean. I recommend it very well. And if you want to know more about this line of Les INFINIE, just see my video. I made it in this channel. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I will reply to you as soon as I can. And just to subscribe to know all my news. Thank you for watching. Today I bring for you this perfume, CHIC AVENUS. Thank you for watching again. See you in few days.